Hey, how's it going, guys? Hopefully you subscribe to this channel and you watch the videos and you know what I got going on here. Just a mixed match of different things. But if you didn't know, I have a fairly popular other channel that focuses on my Doberman Pinscher cruise. What, buddy? Can I help you? He's being loud. Anyway, so I edit this entire channel. I shoot most of the video on the phone, but I edit everything in the phone, upload it from the phone, and do everything from my LG G7 phone. I use Kinemaster, I don't know how you pronounce it. I use that editing software, and these are three of the pieces of hardware that you need to go with your phone, the three most important accessories that you need to do a YouTube channel with your phone. And I really think you absolutely have to have them, you know. So the first one is a tripod. You have to have some kind of tripod, and this tripod is really cheap. It's flexible little feet. I got it on wish.com for $2. It's got the mount for your cell phone that you put it in there, and it also has the little feet that wrap around things, and you can put it wherever you want to and get some, you know, cool shots. And I use it a lot for time lapses, or I use it when I'm playing with the dog and I want to get some video of me with the dog, and I don't want to bring a full tripod. I just clip it to a fence, a tree, anything. Another thing you're absolutely going to need is a light. When you're inside, cell phones generally have very poor light performance, low light performance. So this ring light I found is really handy, and I do a lot of video with it. It has a mount for your phone in the middle, and it lights up your subject really good. It also lets you change the tone of the light, the color, so you can make it a warmer, or you can make it cooler, brighter, whatever you want. It's pretty darn handy. They're about $35–40. If you look around, you can find one for that on eBay or Wish, whatever. And the last piece for me, because I like to do drone shots, and I have a 360 camera, and I like to incorporate video from sometimes from my DSLR. I'll incorporate video from it, is a card reader. You need a card reader that plugs into the USB port of your phone. And a lot of people don't even know that's possible, but it is, and it's the handiest little tool I've ever had. So I'll fly my DJI Mavic drone up in the air, and Mavic Pro, and I'll get some footage, and I'll bring it down, pop the card out, and put it in that card reader, and it loads right into my phone. I can not even copy it to my device if I don't want to. I can edit right from there into Kinemaster and make my videos, and I do a lot of that. I also do a lot of that with my 360 camera. So if you've been wondering how I get a few shots or how things are going on in wow, hummingbird right above my head. That's how a 360 camera and drones and things like that, but they're all edited inside my smartphone and the Kinemaster. I'm going to do a bunch of tutorials on Kinemaster, because I really think that program is just a godsend for anybody who has a YouTube channel. I know that Adobe Premiere Pro and a bunch of the other ones on PC are way more powerful. That's true, but they also take a lot more time. You have to import your footage into a laptop or a desktop, and you have to sit tethered. I can edit on my phone in a car while I'm sitting waiting outside of a doctor's office. I can edit on my phone just about any time, sitting in my recliner on commercial breaks. Just all this wasted time that I would have been doing before. I make good of it by editing video, and it's just quicker. It's more intuitive. There's less features, sure, but they've really come a long way, and I've come up with a lot of workarounds that I'll share with you guys to get more productivity out of Kinemaster. So anyway, thank you for watching, and you know, like everybody does, I don't know why we do it, but we say like and subscribe. Everybody says it. It's getting old by now, but you know, do it.